way! You're in the way! Denali's got it! He's the first one to figure this out! Within seconds! He's like, I like this! Look at him, he's showing everybody how to use it. Yes, Emmy Lou, we know. It's all about you, Chun. Chicken. What'd you say? Huh? Oh, he can reach it. Just like, where'd it go? Where did the water come out of? It was just coming out of here a second ago. Down the end, buddy. Right here. Right here. Right here.
What about the stuff that a lot of us have in our homes? Because we all live with stuff, and we have stuff in closets and stuff in